In this video, I will be showing you how to create a feed from a website without an RSS page using Feed43. To fully understand this tutorial, you will need to have some understanding of HTML code and the tags that are used in it. The first thing we need to do is get the URL from the web page that we are going to be extracting the information from. For this tutorial, I will be using the current exhibitions page from the Zuckerman Museum of Art, and what I want to extract is the title right here and the date below it. So I'm going to grab this URL now and then head over to Feed43. So now I'm going to input the address right here, click reload, and then it's going to pull up all of the source code. So if we go back to the current exhibitions and click inspect, we can see that this is coming from the division class content, and within that it's the header 2. And then for the date, if we click on inspect, it's within the strong tag. So that's what we're going to be looking for in the source code. So over here we can go ahead and Control F and type in content and go down until we see the first content tag. And right here you can see the content begins. So now we're going to be inputting the extraction rules, and for the global search pattern, everything's going to be coming from this content tag, so we can go ahead and input that now. So division class equals content, close, and then we're going to input this %sign to show that that's the data we're going to be extracting. And then for the repeatable search content, we're going to be looking for that header 2 tag, because that's where the title is. And the %sign to extract all that. And then we're going to close that tag. And then since we're going to be pulling multiple things, we're going to use this asterisk to combine them. And then we're going to be using, the date comes from the strong tag right here. So now we're going to add the strong tag. %sign. And then now we're going to close the strong tag. And then now that we have all the extraction rules set up, we're going to extract. Oop. Looks like I forgot to put the quotation marks there. Okay, now we should be good to go. And you can see it found the 7 titles, and in the first %sign we have the title, and in the second %sign we have the date below. So now we're going to be setting up the RSS item properties. For the title, we want it to be this %1, because as we can see above, that's the title. And then for the item link, we're going to also be using the title as the link, so this will just highlight it blue and allow you to click over to the article from the feed. And then for the item content template, we're going to be using the date. So we can go ahead and enter that with %sign 2. And then we can go ahead and preview it and see what it's going to look like. So as you can see, this is what your feed's going to look like. We have the title right here, the link below, and the date that the exhibition is going on. And then down below we have our feed URL, and then we can go ahead and take this. And once we copy this, we're ready to now add this to a feed source in Drupal. We'll get into that later.